Yeah, hi friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The initial request that I would like to make here is that I would want people to subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep promoting it. I would I would want to ensure that most of the people do get a chance to understand what I'm trying to tell and record. So please do subscribe and ensure that most of the people are reaching out in case they would want to understand few clarifications. Um, so the reason why I would want to start my YouTube channel is that I would want to share whatever knowledge that I have gained. And also ensure that it would be helpful for people who would want to understand how the system works within SAP. Please do subscribe and so let's start how it works here. This is how the first transaction comes into picture, which is the SAP Easy Access. And then what we need to understand is that we can also add favorites over here, which means that if there's any transaction that you feel that you use continuously on a day-to-day basis, we can add it on the favorites tab over here. And underneath that, you have the SAP menu. So basically, the SAP menu is the place wherein we execute a particular transaction, and depending on the function, we do have functional modules, and we do have technical modules within SAP. So depending on the area of expertise, we generally make use of those transactions that are coming under that particular module. What we need to understand is SAP being a large enterprise resource planning software. So we need to understand that there's a lot of integration, and we do have various modules getting implemented. So depending on the kind of assignment, depending on the the client's requirement, so we tend to understand what SAP transactions are in place and what are its business significance. Let's start ahead. So basically, I am into more of project systems role, and I would like to explore and get to teach you more of project systems initially, and then as we progress through our journey, we can go into the other modules as well, depending on the depending on how the time permits. So as you see here, we have got the various parts over here, and underneath logistics, you would also the most important thing is that we have got uh, different primary modules, which says metals management, sales, distribution, execution, production, plant maintenance, customer service, quality management, project systems. So all these are the various sub-modules, sub-functional modules that come under SAP, and we, the the all the transactions that we make use on a day-to-day basis, or to ensure that the business operations run smoothly. So these are the transactions that we make use of. Okay. So basically, I'm more interested in teaching uh, project systems over here. So yes.